Today is a beautiful day for walking. The sun is out, and this is how it looks in England, guys. It's 5 o'clock, and the sun is still up there. What time is it? I said it's 5, but probably not. 1851. And the sun is still up there. I think it's going down at 9 today. So still a good time to go for a walk. And that little person in there trying to fall asleep. It's a little bit windy as well. So as much as it's sunny, unfortunately in England you have to wear your jacket. I'm wearing a scarf, so you don't take chances because it's not that hot. There are times when it's really, really hot and now it's hot today. Instead it's windy. Taking walks with the family is quite therapeutic because you get a chance to get fresh air and everybody get a moment to just think and enjoy the sound of birds, sound of nature. Get too much occupied watching TV too much in the house, isn't it? This is my area. It's not too bad. It's a neighborhood. It's in Salisbury. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind, but it is blowing. Whenever we come across grass, we always think, our goats will be eating here in Buzina, will be eating even the sheep. But there's no need of grass cutters, just bring the sheep and they'll be eating. It's a good grass for grazing, honestly. Unless if the farmers disagree. I'm not a farmer, so I'll just make that up. But it's always nice when you come across such greens and beautiful landscape. You just think of home and how we could use this for grazing.